Yo, 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 what's happening? Get into a quick little trade recap for today. Um, Obviously, we know always look starting off on the high time frames, and we're looking for liquidity sweeps or imbalances wanting to get filled or currently getting filled. So I went on to the 15-minute today, and boom, right here. So right at market open, at or right before market open, we have a high, and then we have a liquidity sweep, right? Create a high, price comes up, sweeps out that high, and then boom, at 9:30 we get legs down, right? At 9:30 exactly, this candle right here, we broke underneath this support. So at market open, I'm seeing a liquidity sweep and I'm seeing a break of structure. Perfect, right? Exactly what I want to see. I scaled down a little bit. We have this big imbalance right here. Boom, fair value gap right there. And I saw that get filled, right? I saw us tap into it, and I had actually gotten an early entry on this. This was a great example of managing your risk accordingly. And boom, so we had actually had a within here, I think a 3 or 5 minute fair value gap within here. Um, so let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. So yeah, so we had a 5 minute fair value gap right here, but we also had a 3 minute fair value gap up here. So I saw this wick on this candle tap into the 5 minute. Right, let me scale down. I saw this candle tap into the 5 minute fair value gap right here. We were so close to the 3 minute, and I just kind of figured that that was our imbalance fill. So I entered here. I had actually taken one profit off at this low, right? So it was a break even trade. I entered at, I took one contract off here, then I took the rest off at highs at break even. Um, and then I saw price rally. We tapped into the 3 minute and then started to get more rejections down. And I was looking for puts. Regardless, that was my bias. So I figured, okay, I just got an early entry. I wanted to fill the 3 minute fair value gap instead. Also sweep out this internal high, right? Which was my entry. And I was expecting that. That's fine, right? We came up, tapped off the support line, swept out internal high, and then broke structure back to the downside on this candle. I entered a little bit early. I guess I should have waited for the break of structure on this candle. I entered actually right as that candle started up here. Just because, I mean, it just looked heavy. I had a good read on price. I was looking for puts. I saw this support, right? This black line right here get created. We bounced off it. We bounced off it. We bounced off it. And I knew we were going to want to break through it. Price looked heavy. Price was rejecting. And yeah, I took one contract off at these lows, and then my last contract was this low right here, which was our high time frame draw on liquidity, right here. Boom. I figured we would sweep out this low and continue to move higher. And what did we do? We swept at that low and continued to move higher. Now I could have caught this to the upside too, but I took my W for the day and I walked away. But yeah, guys, I mean it's that simple. You're looking for three things. You're looking for a high time frame liquidity sweep, right? That's exactly what we got in the morning up here, this black line. Show you put it down, right? Create a high right here. We sweep it, we get legs down at market open, right? We break structure. Not only do we break structure underneath these lows, low, 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 we broke underneath it, but also we had an imbalance right here. We had an imbalance right there. I fucking hate this orange. And that also got invalidated by the 9:30 candle. It actually got invalidated sooner. It actually got invalidated first thing market open, pre-market. So those are my reasons for going short. I saw liquidity sweep. I saw inverse fair value gap. I saw break of structure. All these things are telling me price wants to go down, right? Price wants to go down. So I waited for a lower time frame imbalance fill, right? Entered a little bit early. Took one contract off. Thank God that I had to take profit here, and stopped at break even. No loss, no gains. Re-entered after I saw the internal liquidity sweep and filling this 3 minute fair value gap right here. Filled it perfectly, saw rejections out of it, entered, targeted this high time frame draw on liquidity, and that's it, guys. High time frame liquidity sweep, lower time frame, like a 5 minute break, and then a leaving lower, a 3, 2, or 1 minute retracement back up to a fair value gap, order block, something like that. But yeah, guys, I mean that's it. This was a beautiful trade. I was gonna take a trade on Spy. It looked really good. Same type of setup. We had a gap right here. We gapped up overnight and we never had filled this gap. We also had all these draws on liquidity, one here, one here, one here. I knew price was going to take these out and I thought we were going to fill the gap. My bias today was bullish despite my bearish Tesla trade, but I was looking at this. I almost fucking sniped the entry on this big ass move, but I didn't end up taking it. But I saw, right, fill the daily gap and imbalance, right? We're always looking for imbalances or liquidity for our trade entries. I saw chop. I saw we broke above. We created a little fair value gap right here. We filled it. We respected it. And price absolutely ripped, guys. This happens all the time, all throughout the market. If I would have caught this whole move, I would have made there's probably like 300%, right, of my return. If I put 1,000 into it, I'm making $3,000. So that was my trade idea, and for Tesla, it worked out pretty nicely, right? Could have caught the upside for a little bit more of an ROI, but regardless, W trade. I alerted this in my Discord. Um, People in it made money. People in it learned something new. There's tons of value all over my Discord. Definitely check it out. Check out my Instagram too, Dylan.options. Yeah, guys, tons of free value. Keep in mind, free value. Everything's free. I'm not selling you nothing. I don't want your money for real. I just, you know what I'm saying? Just trying to help out people because I know what it feels like to be at the bottom. I know what it feels like to be hopeless. Bro, 7 months ago, I was homeless. Like 7 months ago, I didn't have shit, right? It was me, my family living in the car. So things could change like that. You have to learn a high income skill. You have to learn something and advance your life. But yeah, guys, that was a W trade. I'm super excited for tomorrow. I do not believe we have any news tomorrow. We have PPI 8:30. That's fine. I don't trade until 9:30. So green for the day. Green on the week so far. So let's see if we can keep the streak up. I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace.